what happiness is. I'm not even sure if I could define happiness for myself. Gratitude or contentment or just being at ease with things the way they are, even if they're unpleasant at times. To consciously let go. I don't think happiness is a goal. It's rather a skill. I think for me it was really more about feeling more in charge of my life, being more authentic, more gentle to myself and others. Being okay with how things are. And at the same time being accepting of constant change. Just being is already terribly exciting if you're open to it. As long as you're alive, there's more right with you than wrong. My name is Tine. I'm involved in happiness.com, in the academy and the community.